Hi, I'm Tonio and I'm going to show you how to clean the reed. This is just a demonstration and it is important that you follow the following steps. First one, you need a knife, any knife, it works, and a pair of safety gloves. Just to make it a close-up, here is, you see this one? Here, it's a groove. And sometimes it's hard to remove from the reed. We are going to do it step by step. So basically that groove in original it will be like this. See here, oh, like this one. So what we do is by hand we remove it, then with the knife the same as we have explained before. I'm going to do it a bit different. Okay? You put the knife on the groove and 1, 2, and it has been removed. Same this one. Okay, and it is important that the grooves will be removed before cleaning the reed, which I think it's better. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 grooves. So first, as I have explained before, you will remove the grooves. 1, 2. This is very easy. Sometimes it will be harder. 3, 4, 5. Beware of your hands because the knife is sharp. And the last one, just you bend it because it's too weak. Also, it is important that you will check the reed. This is a small sample. You will have a bundle of 25. I will show you later on the bundle of 25. Now, first of all, with your feet, you will check 1, 2, 3. This will check the stability of the cane. Right? After this, you need to clean it, and it is important that you see the grooves here. Here there are the grooves. Right? Alright. I am setting this as a close-up. You can see the difference. This one cleaned, see? And this is not cleaned. This one is not cleaned. In the practical way, you have to work as follows. Alright? Always keep the knife facing outwards because you can get injured. The last piece only, and if you see there is 2 feet or 1 feet distance. It's easy, it is important. See the difference? This is the cleaned reed.